Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use timed finishing. This advanced technique allows you to add a powerful boost to your shots, making them more accurate and difficult for goalkeepers to save. It's a crucial skill for any player looking to elevate their game and score more spectacular goals. We'll cover the exact steps to execute it perfectly, ensuring you understand the mechanics and benefits of this powerful feature. To execute a timed finish, you first press the shoot button as you normally would for a shot. Immediately after, and this is the critical part, you press the shoot button a second time. The goal is to hit this second press precisely when your player's foot is about to make contact with the ball. A small, green timing indicator will flash above your player's head, confirming you've achieved the perfect timing. The advantages of a perfectly timed shot are substantial. You'll notice a significant increase in both shot power and accuracy, making your attempts much harder for the opposing goalkeeper to save. However, there's a risk involved. If you mistime the second button press, your shot will be noticeably weaker and less accurate, potentially wasting a good scoring opportunity. It's a high-risk, high-reward mechanic. The best way to master timed finishing is through consistent practice. Head into the practice arena or skill games to get a feel for the timing with various players and shot angles. Pay close attention to the visual cues and the rhythm of the double tap. With dedicated effort, you'll soon be consistently hitting those green timed shots, turning more of your chances into incredible goals and dominating your matches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.